This is another episode of Full Disclosure from InfinityExist.com. I'm Knox, this is Patch, and today we're going to be soft modding your Xbox. This is going to allow you to load Xbox Media Center and Linux. First, what you're going to need is obviously an Xbox. You're going to need a game vulnerable to the exploit. We're going to use the first version of MechAssault, which is one that that you're able to use. Any version of Splinter Cell and some versions of 007 Under Fire. Also, what you're going to need is some way to load the software onto your Xbox. We're using a USB to controller converter. All these are actually USB ports in the front there, so that allows us to do that. Also, you're going to need a thumb drive that's compatible with your Xbox. There'll be a list up on the website of the thumb drives that you can use. And that's about it. What we're going to do is we're going to boot up our Xbox and we're going to make sure that we have our dashboard completely up to date.
Alright, we're just going to boot up the Xbox here, and to find out your dashboard version, you just go to Settings, scroll down to System Info, and wait till this whole long copyright bullshit goes through. Just fast forward here. Alright, at the bottom you see K, which is the kernel, and D is the dashboard, and you want to make sure your dashboard is 5960. Alright, if your Xbox is not up to date, all you need is some Xbox game that has Xbox Live on it. You don't actually have to have an Xbox Live account, you just have to connect to Xbox Live. So, you're going to have to connect your Xbox to the internet somehow, and I'll show you that. Alright, we're just going to pop in Guilty Gear's X2 Reloaded, because it's my favorite game for the Xbox. Kicks ass. Alright, I'm just going to scroll up to Xbox Live, and I'm going to click on New Account. As you can see, it says your Xbox needs to be updated, so it's going to go through the process of updating it for you. Once it says it's completed updated, you can just exit out of it. You don't have to continue the process of making a new account. So after that's all done, you can just restart your system, pull out the game. You might even want to pull out the Ethernet cord that you have plugged in the back, or else the Xbox Live is going to bug you, as you can see here. Then you can just go back down to your settings and go through your system info again to see if you have the proper version now, and you should. Alright, the next step is to plug in your USB thumb drive to the Xbox through your converter, whichever way you choose to do that. Make sure you back up whatever's on the thumb drive before you do that, because it's going to be deleted as soon as you click on the memory tab, because it formats it to the FATX format. If it's compatible. If it's not, it's going to give you an error message. As you see, it pops up as a controller memory card. You can just check to see if you can access it and everything's working properly. Now you're going to take your thumb drive, plug it into your computer. It might ask you to format it. Just say no, and you're going to open up a program called Explorer 360, and this will allow you to copy in the exploit as a save game. The exploit that I'm using is the Crazy Endurer Softmod pack. You can get it's illegal to host this file, so you're going to have to go on some torrent site and search Endure, and then you'll find it. That's Ndure. It's about 35 megabytes, I think, so just download that one. If you open up the file that you downloaded, you'll see that there's 3 different subfolders.